¿Ya están listos para la lección de hoy? Such a short yet complex word. Ya might be one of the most diverse words in Spanish. It can adapt to a bunch of different situations and contexts. Hello, my name is Job Aron, and today we're going to learn the different scenarios in which you can use the word ya. Welcome to Spanish 55. In this channel, we provide you with some of the most amazing tips and tricks to improve your Spanish. Before we start, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our latest videos. So, have you heard of the word ya? I bet it's probably one of the most used words in Spanish. Actually, I challenge you to watch a movie in Spanish, put the subtitles on, and count how many times this word appears. By the end of the video, you should learn how to use them properly. After this video, you will get to identify the different intonations and intentions of this word depending on the different contexts in which it is used. Well, first things first. If we type this word on Google Translate, we will get three main interpretations or translations: already, anymore, and by now. Yeah, that's why we cannot completely rely on this source. Actually, this word could also mean stop, yes, okay, right now, there, and even some others that cannot be translated into English. Let's dive into this. The first scenario, it's one you want to express immediacy. Do you remember our video about ahora, ahora mismo, and ahorita? If you haven't, you can watch it on our channel. You can replace any of these words to show how quick something needs to be done. Here are some examples. Ya levántate. Wake up now. Ya voy. I'm coming. ¿Cuándo vas a lavar el coche? Ya. When are you washing the car? Right now. Then we have some of the most common situations related with time. In this, we present actions that are being performed in the past. For instance, ya lavé el coche. I already washed the car. Ya me levanté. I already woke up. Next, we have a funny one. Have you ever get tickled by someone and try to get them to stop? Well, here you can actually use this word. In this context, an action or a situation needs to be stopped. Ya basta. Me estás haciendo daño. Stop. You are hurting me. Ya, no quiero escucharte. Stop. I don't want to hear you. Then we have the negative past scenario, in which a certain action stopped occurring. In this case, we translate the word to anymore. Ya no me gusta ir al cine. I don't like to go to the movies anymore. Ya no tengo dinero. I don't have money anymore. Ya no quiero escucharte. Stop. I don't want to hear you anymore. Here is a rare but very useful one, especially when we're dealing with children. When someone is sad or going through a very hard time, we usually tend to tap their back a little bit and say, there. Well, in Spanish, we use the word ya. So it will be something like, ya, todo va a estar bien. That would be like, there, everything's gonna be fine. Ya could also assume the affirmative role of the word okay. This is often used by Spanish-speaking countries from the south, for instance, Chile or Argentina. Here are some simple examples. ¿Quieres agua? Ya. Would you like some water? Okay. ¿Quieres venir al parque con nosotros? Ya. Do you want to come to the park with us? Okay. Here comes a very weird one. In this case, there is actually no right translation to English, but I want to try to explain to you how it works. When we speak about something that it's very likely to happen in the near future, we tend to use you will see in a more challenging mood, you know? While in Spanish, we use ya verás. In this case, the word ya cannot be translated to any of the above. You, will, or even see. But still, it is included to demonstrate the imminent happening of an event. Here are some other examples in which we cannot translate the word ya to English, but we use it in Spanish. Ya as an amazed way to react to a quick performance of an action. Ya will be something like, that quick? Or that fast? Ya when an action is being performed, but at some point it has just stopped. Ya would be like, is that all? And now, here is an example of three completely different uses of the word on a single sentence. ¿Ya han entendido? Este video ya está por terminar y ya no queda más tiempo por el momento. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video will help to increase your understanding of such a special word. And remember to practice as much as you can. If you don't remember something, you can always go back to this video and go through all the different uses of this word. Here in Spanish 55, we love to see you learning and growing with us. Feel comfortable enough if you need to get in touch with us and get some personalized assistance or guidance. All of our tutors will be glad to help you out. Like this video and turn on the bell button so we can meet in the next lesson. Adiós y hasta luego.